proud to talk about it because I have the evidence. How can a governor pay 860 million for fueling of cars in a county government? That money inafika kwa county, inarudishwa mahali. We are the only country that has got strategic plan for development, whether it is 2030 Karungo. We are 2030, we are 2045, sindio? Zote zimeisha. Cause the city is dead, broke, money has been taken, nobody is working there. Ministry of Health, there are no vaccines, there are no medicines. We don't have a country. We don't have a country. Now we are moving into the military. We have a budget of 3.4 trillion. Now they are going to 4.6 trillion shillings for doing what? Not a single serious government project. When you ask them where the money is, they say they are paying the debts. When you tell them so much, so as how much you have paid, they don't say. Tafadhali mchunge nchi yetu isiende mtoni. We are expecting you to change what has been happening in this country. Don't get power and go back and do the same things that William Ruto is doing. I thought it's important I say that. Finally, I want to say this. All of you have distinguished credit. Mheshimiwa Gachagua, you're tough. You're a very tough nut. Keep it up. As I've heard my brother say, history will vindicate you. Keep it up. Eugene Wamalwa, thank you for your energy, your effort. You've been talking to me, and I've been saying, yes, we can change Kenya. I know what you stand for. Mzee Kalonzo Musyoka, you know I've worked with you for over 20 years. At one time, you trained me in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I want to tell all of you who are here, this country completely depends and relies on you. All I can promise you is those troops you're going to send, we will work with you, we will sacrifice ourselves. Jana mtu alinipigia simu akasema unyuka siku hizi sijui unakaa namna gani, hao jamaa anasema hata wanaweza kuja wakupige vikiboko. Me, I have children now, finished school. I don't need money. Honestly, I don't have to steal public money to be where I am.